Hello, I was planning to upload this video for a long time, forgetting always, we are in the middle of April 2026. We went to Eden Villas and Apartments in Albufeira, Portugal last Christmas 2025. As you know, Christmas is mostly cold, rushed, or stressful in the UK. If I say, our last Christmas in Portugal was warm, peaceful, and sea view and all-inclusive. Welcome to Eden Villas and Apartments in Albufeira, our perfect 5-day Christmas getaway, celebrating Christmas in the sun, with amazing food, peaceful vibes, and a stay that truly felt like home. But is it really worth it? Let's find out. We arrived in Albufeira just before Christmas. From the moment we arrived, the place felt calm and welcoming. The resort is beautifully designed, more like a peaceful village than a busy hotel. Surrounded by greenery, quiet pathways, and spacious villas, it instantly gives you that holiday mode feeling. Check-in was smooth, and within minutes we were heading to our apartment. Our apartment. Honestly, better than expected. You're not just getting a room, you're getting a full living space, a modern kitchen, comfortable lounge, spacious bedroom and a private balcony. Everything was clean, cozy, and perfect for relaxing evenings after a long day. For families or couples, this setup is a huge advantage over standard hotels. Now let's talk about one of the highlights, Christmas at Eden Villas. The festive atmosphere was subtle but really enjoyable, decorations, themed meals, and a relaxed holiday vibe. Christmas dinner. A great mix of traditional dishes and local Portuguese flavors. Breakfasts were fresh and varied, and overall, the food quality was surprisingly good for an all-inclusive stay. It's not ultra-luxury dining, but definitely satisfying and enjoyable. sun, indoor heated pool gym and walking areas, shuttle service to Albufeira town and beaches. One thing we loved, the peace. Even during the holiday season, it never felt crowded or noisy. Perfect if you want a relaxing Christmas break. Let's talk about the food, because it was honestly one of the highlights of this trip. Breakfasts were fresh and varied, lunches were satisfying, and dinners felt special every single night. The all-inclusive package meant we didn't have to think about anything. Lovely food, excellent quality, and plenty of choice for everyone. And yes, the desserts were dangerous. The food was also great, with high quality and enjoyable dining. Eden Villas and Apartments offers fantastic facilities, from well-maintained pools to peaceful green spaces. Even in December, everything was clean, quiet, and perfectly maintained. Spending Christmas here felt truly special. The resort was beautifully decorated, the atmosphere was calm and joyful, and everything felt thoughtfully planned. It was Christmas without the stress, just relaxation, good food, and quality time. The staff truly made this stay exceptional. Friendly, professional, and always happy to help, nothing felt forced or rushed. You can really feel the 5-star level of service throughout the resort. So, would we recommend Eden Villas and Apartments for a Christmas holiday? Absolutely, without hesitation. Excellent stay, lovely food, peaceful atmosphere, and outstanding service. This was exactly the kind of holiday we needed. If you're looking for a relaxing, all-inclusive Christmas getaway, Eden Villas and Apartments in Albufeira is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you're planning a holiday here.